So you have probably heard this question a lot. Is Slack still the best team communication tool, or have alternative like Discord and the Mattermost taken over? Well, that's exactly what we are going to find out in this video, because by the end of this video, you will know which one is better choice for your team. Is it Discord or the Mattermost? Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology so you can make a smarter decision and stay productive. If that sounds good to you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe and also check the link in the description for a free trial and the specific deals. Now let's jump into it. First of all, let's talk about the Discord. Originally, this is built for gamers. Discord has turned into a serious communication tool for communities, small teams, and even some businesses. If you look at the interface, it feels very casual, like text channel on one side, voice channel is another, and even video rooms. It's fast, it's reliable, and it doesn't feel boring like the traditional work tools. And also get things like screen sharing, unlimited voice call, and integration with bots that can automate the task. And the best part is that it is free to start. Paid plans give you more storage, higher quality video, and bigger file uploads, but most teams can easily get by with the free version. Now, here is the thing. Discord is not really built with the business in mind. It does not come with the enterprise level security, compliance features, or advanced integration with tools like Salesforce or Microsoft Team. So if you are a casual team or a startup that wants something fun and easy, Discord is amazing. But if you are an enterprise with strict IT requirement, Discord may not be enough. Now let's look at the Mattermost. Mattermost is an open source Slack alternative that's made for professional teams, especially developers and the companies that want full control. Unlike Discord, Mattermost feels much closer to Slack in terms of design, channels, threads, and integrations. But the big difference is that you can self-host it. That means your company can run Mattermost on your own servers and fully control the data security and compliance. For some industries like finance, healthcare, or government, this is a game changer. You also get the integration with tools like GitHub, Jira, and some other developer focused platforms. So it's very strong for engineering teams. But there are downsides too. Mattermost is not as plug and play as like the Discord. If you self-host, you need the IT resources to maintain it, and even with the cloud version, the learning curve can feel a little heavier. It's not a casual or fun as Discord, but it's definitely more professional. So here's the verdict. If your team is creative, casual, and doesn't need the strict enterprise level customization or compliance, then Discord is a fantastic choice in this time, and it's free, it's easy, and your team will probably enjoy using it. But if you are running a professional business, especially in a sensitive industry, and you need the data control plus enterprise security, then Mattermost is the clear winner. So to put it simple, Discord is fun and free flowing, while Mattermost is the secure and the professional. Slack still exists in the middle, but these two are becoming real alternatives. And if you want to test the Discord or Mattermost for yourself, I have left the link in the description. Go and check that out. And if you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.